What's the meaning of bargaining power? Bargaining power. Bargaining power.
Bargaining power. Bargaining power. Bargaining power refers to the ability of an individual or group to negotiate favorable terms in a transaction or deal. This term is commonly used in business and economics, where it can refer to the relative strength of buyers and sellers in a market. A party with strong bargaining power can demand lower prices, better contractual terms, and other concessions. The strength of bargaining power depends on various factors such as market conditions, competition, and the party's resources, among others. In some cases, bargaining power can be asymmetrical, meaning one party has significantly more power than the other, leading to an imbalance in negotiations.